All right, guys. Agent Duke here. Just wanted to answer a question from Guy Cortolo. He had asked the question whether or not the green candle from the 23rd, which is this one right here, is to be considered price inefficiency. And all right, no, because there's a small wick at the top. Okay. On the 4-hour chart, we have the 4-hour chart here, and the answer to that question is yes. This candle is price inefficiency. Okay. Um, what made it price inefficiency was this right here. Let me show you. Okay, so we've got um, top of this red candle. Ideally, you want three candles all of the same color, but in this case, this is price inefficiency because price broke out to the upside, and all this was all buys. Okay, and we have the bottom of this wick candle right there. Okay, boom. That's this area in the middle is price inefficiency. So here's what we have. His question, because theoretically we expect price to come back and fill price imbalances, right? And this is inefficient, so we expect price to come down. We expect it to come down. However, will it go down to that point? I'm not sure. Uh, this is an important video because here's the reason why. I had a conversation with my brother, and those of you know that I've mentioned my brother. He is a professional options trader, and he said Bitcoin's unique. And this conversation came up because I showed him where the imbalances were, where the order blocks were. If we broke down to a lower level, um, where price would settle into, which would be on the daily chart down here. I'll just show you. So we've got this order block here, right? So if we broke down to lower levels, how far would we go? And we're talking about it. You know, he knows all about this. And he said the challenge is that we might not go there because the reason why is because, and this comes down to this price inefficiency right here. We might not go down there. My brother had said the reason why is because um, Bitcoin is finite. It's the only asset that actually has transparency and a finite number. He said, there's only so much manipulation the market maker can do and until price just starts breaking levels simply because of the demand for the product, you know? So that being the case, that is correct on a 4-hour chart. I mean, for all we know, the price could actually come down to those levels, and price could come down to fill this price imbalance on the 4-hour chart. Could come down. We expect it to, because that's the nature of buyers and sellers and creating an efficient market. You know, but could it? Will it? I don't know. I don't know. Only because of based on the conversation that I had with my brother, which was Bitcoin having a finite amount. We could see breakouts to the upside, and it continues to break out to the upside simply because the demand is there. Something is only worth a thing, a number, when it is offered. So when you have a finite amount of a particular product and the market maker puts an offer for a higher amount and no one is moving, he actually has to raise the offer. Does that make sense? So I wanted to present that idea. The answer to the question, Guy, is this is a price imbalance, yes. But will we expect it to come down here? But will it come down there? Come down to that area? I don't know. So that's yet to be seen. But you know my philosophy, guys. Trade what's in front of you. So because we broke this BMS, I'm expecting price to range in this level, in this area above the BMS. You might even come down a little bit, which would be 50% of the fibs from the major swing structure way up here at the top all the way down here. And if it does, I think the 50 line will be around here. I'll make another video on that. But yeah, I'm expecting this range for price to range inside here. Anyways, I hope that answered the question. That was a great question, and this is an important video that everyone should watch as far as what to expect from Bitcoin. And again, price is only created when an offer is made. And if no one is selling, the offer will be higher. Price imbalances will occur, and the market maker may not come back to those areas because there's only so much manipulation a market maker can make, and there's just too much transparency, and it is what it is. All right, guys. Hope that helps.